Another concept that I want to talk to you guys about is isolations. Now, what I like to do is I like to start every freestyle little jam session that I have, where I'm getting ready to get into some movement. I like to start it with isolating each one of my body extremities. So what I'm saying is like if the music cuts on and I'm just going to move my feet any way I want, right? Just my feet. Any way you want. Then I'm going to move down to my knees. Boom. Move knees and feet, however you want. I can walk it out. I'm using some slides, right? I'm using the entire space. That's the key. You got to use space too, right? Then I just want to just use my arms, right? No feet, just arms. Right? I just might want to use my head. Just my head for a long time, right? Then I have my torso. I want to use just my upper body. So from hips up. So I just want to use this. Just break everything down. Then, when that second song comes on, then you just start going for it, right? You just use all your body that you want, slide, use the room, use the floor, right? Draw. You can do everything. Once you learn how to separate your body movements and you break that down, then you're going to be able to start forming things and putting things together. But if you don't know how to work each part by itself, you're not going to be able to make your movements as direct that you may want. And what I mean by that is I'm saying that you have to be able to separate each and every movement to be able to put them together. Because if I just go pop, 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 it's going to look different if I'm rolling it. It's the same movements, but I'm putting them in a different tint so that they'll be able to free flow or have another quality of the movement. That's basically what I'm trying to say.
You